Kyle Rittenhouse on 7 charges in the criminal case. Now, Justin, you asked a local attorney if his legal troubles really are over today.
And they're not. With this high-profile criminal case now closed, we wanted to talk to a local attorney for what is next. And I asked Gainesville lawyer Natalie Teston if Rittenhouse can still face some legal challenges.
Good question. So at this point, the state criminal saga is over, right? With a full acquittal, there is no sentencing hearing, obviously, and the state cannot appeal this verdict. So this layer of the process has reached a conclusion. So now the question remains, will he be charged at the federal level? Will federal prosecutors indict him for federal crimes that may have been committed during these acts? And then you've also got what happens on the civil side. Will the families of the individuals who were shot and Mr. Grosskreutz, will he sue Mr. Rittenhouse and maybe even attach Mr. Rittenhouse's parents as well in a personal injury or wrongful death claims?
And civil court differs how? I mean, is the burden not as severe as it would be in a criminal case? Meaning, do you think that he has more exposure in a civil case?
Possibly, yes. So the burden in civil court is much lower. So in criminal court, it's beyond a reasonable doubt. That's the highest legal burden that we have here in our country. In civil court, it's going to be by a preponderance of the evidence. So the plaintiffs would have to show that these actions or Mr. Rittenhouse was either negligent, more likely than not. They got to cross the 50-yard line. That's what preponderance of the evidence means.
And from the courtroom to outside as people gather after the verdict, stay with us for continuing coverage with ABC World News tonight following this broadcast at 7.
Today, we tracked down one of